Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best find tip replacement for the Apple Pencil 2, the upgraded pencil tips by Paiholy. If you're someone who loves precision, smooth control, and durability while drawing or writing on your iPad, this product could be a game changer for you. Right off the bat, these replacement nibs stand out because of their precision fine line control. The tip diameter is a slim 0.8 mm, which means you get incredibly detailed and accurate strokes, perfect for artists, designers, and note-takers alike. Unlike the original Apple Pencil tips, these have an extended metal nib, which enhances the tilt drawing experience, allowing for smoother shading and sketching. The materials used are another highlight. The tip features a stainless steel top combined with a copper conductor and an anti-scratch ball mechanism. This clever design ensures the nib resists wear and tear, even when used on textured, paper-like screen protectors. So, you won't have to worry about the tip wearing out quickly or scratching your precious screen protector. It's built to last, offering a more durable and cost-effective solution compared to standard tips. Installation is straightforward with a simple twist-on, twist-off mechanism, so replacing your worn-out tip is hassle-free. It's compatible universally with Apple Pencil 1st and 2nd generation, as well as other digital styluses like the Logitech Crayon, making it a versatile accessory no matter which device or pencil generation you own. When it comes to control, these tips respond seamlessly to pressure changes and allow for flexible drawing or writing. The sensitivity means you can achieve varying line thickness just like you would with a real pencil, which adds an organic feel to digital artwork or handwritten notes. There's no lag or delay, and the pen glides effortlessly across the screen, maintaining a smooth and natural writing flow. The package comes with two white tips, each about 2 mm long, which strikes a good balance between durability and finesse. Since these tips do not wear out as quickly, you'll save money and avoid the frequent replacements that come with other cheaper alternatives. Paiholy, the brand behind this product, specializes in innovative electronic accessories, focusing on quality and customer experience. They ensure each product meets high standards, which reflects in the design and performance of these pencil tips. In summary, if you're looking for a replacement tip that enhances precision, improves durability, and feels like a natural extension of your Apple Pencil, this Paiholy upgraded find tip is one of the best options out there. It's ideal for students, professionals, and artists who demand the finest detail and reliable performance from their digital stylus. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.